boys. I'm from passed out in 2021, and my college is Don Bosco Institute of Technology. I joined Jspider on December 2021, and it's one of the best and awesome institute for the one who is willing to have dreams to get into the IT field. And the teaching level is absolutely extraordinary. Without any basic idea about the skills, I got lots of experience and courageous by the teaching level. And first of all, I thank Mr. Keshav sir, Uday sir, Sharik sir, Pindu ma'am, and all the HR teams for supporting me in both the technical as well as placement drives. And I hope many will would accept this and join JSPIDER and make their career growth. Thank you.